Copy and complete 1 2/3 plus a missing number minus 5/8 divided by 1 3/4 squared, and we know that's equal to 30/49. So writing that out, first thing we're going to do is convert these improper fractions these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So this first one will be 1 times 3 plus 2, which makes 5/3. This one is going to be 1 times 4 plus 3, which makes 7/4. It's still got it squared. Is equal to 30/49. And then we're going to work our way towards the missing number by doing opposite. So the opposite of dividing is to multiply. Okay, when we multiply, we will need to... now, before we do that, we need to square this fraction. So, squaring this fraction. So, squaring, what you do is you square the numerator, which makes 49, and the denominator, which makes 16. And now we can do a bit of cancelling. So, 49 goes into 49 once, and then into that once. And then 2 goes into 16 8 times, and into 30 15 times. So we'll now end up with 5/3 plus the missing number minus 5/8 is 15/8. We're going to deal with the minus 5/8 first. So we've got 5/3 plus the missing number will be 15/8. So the opposite of subtracting is to add. Writing that out again here. Okay, we've got a common denominator already, so we just need to do 15 plus 5. Which is going to make 20 out of 8. A bit of cancelling. 4 goes into 8 twice and into 25. So we now have 5/3 plus the missing number is equal to 5/2. The opposite of adding is to subtract. So we will now find the missing number by doing 2 minus 5/3. We'll need a common denominator here. So we'll make them out 6. 2 times 3, so that means we multiply that 5 by 3 to get 15, and that 5 by 2 to get 10, and therefore finally we get the answer 15 minus 10, which is 5/6. So our missing number was 5/6. So this has been a video to show you how to find a missing number for a fraction sum. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.